Hey YouTube. Alright, so I got a new package. This is a luxury AP design, AP steel Apple Watch case. And let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, it says high-end smart case and strap set. It says AP version, 44 millimeter. And then when you open it up, okay, let's go ahead and see. We have some links and looks like the pins. And then we have pin tool. And then we have the watch. And then that's it. Nothing else. No books. No nothing else. Alright. And I mean, it looks very good. It's well made. It's got some weight to it. It's heavy. And it's got the same clasp. Dual clasp. The links are pretty strong. And I mean, as you can see, it's pretty well polished. Alright. And then what I like about this one, it doesn't have place for screws. It's actually one button right here at the top. And then you push the button, and then you're going to push the back out. So you basically push the button, and then there goes the back. And then it comes with this silicone sleeve to protect, and it's all metal, so it's pretty decent. Alright, let's go ahead and put in the Apple Watch. And let's see. Alright, we'll go ahead and add the Apple Watch to the sleeve. It looks pretty good. Okay, we place the Apple Watch in the case. Press it in. Alright, and then there's a lip right here. And you're going to put the back in there, in the lip. And then once it's in the lip, get it into, and then snap in. And there you go. And then you still got room for your charging. Alright. And then it's quite a bit heavier actually. Once the Apple Watch is in there, this is the Samsung, this is the Apple Watch, and it is quite a bit heavier. Okay, it seems like it's, let's make sure it's needs any links. No, it's pretty good. And it's got the good design. And then if you want to take off the links, of course there's holes in there. And then you would basically put them in there, into the holes, and then you press it. And then you'd be able to pull there it is. And then it comes out pretty easily. But if you want to change the links, I don't want to, so I'm going to lock it back in place. And then let's go back to Clockology. This is Clockology for the faces. And so you can add different faces if you want. You can make it look. And you can download all these faces. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description where you can download. And then you can get all these faces either on the Reddit forum, find another one of these. Find another face. There we go. Okay, so you can make it look like it. Very cool. Now you can either get the faces from the Reddit forum or you can get it from the Telegram channel. And as you can see, there's just so many. It's really cool. And then you can pick one of these up, about $100, a little bit more. You might be able to find it cheaper someplace else. Would you wear this? Is this something that you're interested in? All right. Take care.